Good morning, dear students. So, welcome to your maths class. Now, on Friday, we have done shape patterns. Yes. And today we will do number patterns. Number patterns means we will write the numbers in a given pattern. Okay. And for this, you have to think what pattern to follow. नंबर्स लिखने से पहले आपको ये सोचना पड़ेगा, आपको ध्यान से सोचना पड़ेगा कि आपने नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा लिखना है. ओके, सी फर्स्ट दे हैव गिवन द एग्जांपल्स. लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स फर्स्ट. See, this is a simple counting 1 2 3 4 5. So the next number will be 6. Okay, 6 7 8 9. In B part they have started from 6 7 8 9 10. So this is a pattern. Okay, now C number is 1 and 3. So what pattern do we have to follow? You have to think. Like, see, they have written 1, they have not written 2, so they have left 2. So we will leave the number 1. 2 we will leave, we will write down 3. Then 4 we will leave 5. 6 we will leave, then we will write 7. Then we will leave 8 and we will write 9. So you have to think which pattern we have to follow to write the next number. Okay, let us see the D part now. See, in D part they have done 9. Now they have done back counting. See, 7, we have reached 7. So what we have done? 9. What comes before 9? If we do the back counting, 9, 8 we have not written, 8, 7, 6 we have not written, 5, 4 not written, 3, 2 not written, and then 1. Now this is the back counting also, leaving one number. Okay, so before doing the number patterns, you have to just look at the pattern given and you have to think which pattern we have to follow to write the next number. Okay, let us do page number 110 now. Now see, in this page number 110, first one is pattern in shapes only. So we will revise this patterns in shape. So this is a square, triangle, square, triangle. Yes, this is a pattern. So a triangle comes after every dash. So a triangle is coming after every what? Every square. So you will write here square. Okay, now see, tick the one which follows a pattern. Now out of these two we will see which is the right pattern. Okay, if it is a pattern we will tick, if it is not a pattern we can cross it. See, let us see the first one now. This is circle, square, circle, square. Now they have given 3 circles and square. So it is not a pattern, because instead of 3 circles, if we have drawn 1 circle, then it would be a pattern. Now this is not a pattern. Okay, so we will put a cross here. Now let us see the second one. Blue circle, orange circle, 2 orange circles, 1 blue, 2 orange, 1 blue, 2 orange, 1 blue. Yes, this is the right pattern because they have left the equal number of circles. 2 orange, 2 orange, and then 1 1 1. This is blue circle. So this is the correct pattern. So we will put a tick. Okay, now let us again do patterns in numbers. So see, it can be like this also, counting up. It can be a simple counting. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can write here 7. So this can be equal counting also, simple counting. Now let us see this one. Following the sequence, fill in the missing numbers. So you will check first which pattern we have to follow and then we will write down numbers in this blanks. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is a simple counting, so you can write 8 and 10 in these boxes. Now let us see the second one. 1 3 means they have not written 2, they have left 2. So we have to leave one number and write. Okay, so 1, 2 we will not write, 3. After 3, 4 we will not write, 5. Then after 5, 6 we will not write, then we will write 7. Again 8 we will not write, 9. 10 we will not write, then we will write 11. So they have left one number and they have completed the pattern. So you can do this on your own. Okay, now again 1 can be the counting down also. Counting down means back counting. Okay, so we can follow the pattern like this also: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is also a pattern of back counting. Now observe the following patterns and fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. So this is 12, 11, 9, 8, 9, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is a simple back counting from 12 to 1. Okay, let us see the another one. Now this is 12. They are starting from 12. Now before, we have to write 10. So this means we have to do back counting. It is not counting, it is back counting. Now how they have done the back counting? See, 12. Before 12, 11 comes, but they have not written 11. So they have left one number. So 12, 11 we will not write, 10. Before 10, 9. 9 we will not write. So we will write here 8. Now before 8, 7 not written, then 6. Before 6, 5 we will not write, then we will write here 4. So we have left one number and we have done the back counting in this. Okay, so for doing the number patterns, you have to just look at the given numbers and you have to think what to leave, how many numbers to leave, which pattern to follow, and then you can fill in the blanks. So students, after completing the work till here, we will not do this part of exercise 6.1. We will come to the next page and we will do only 5th and 6th question for the time being. Okay, these questions we will do it later on. So we will do only 5th and 6th question, and you have to, this is the shape pattern. See, bat, ball, bat, ball, bat, ball, bat, and you will draw here what? You will draw here ball. Okay, then this is the complete each of the following pattern. So this is cross sign, this is plus sign, cross, plus, and cross. Okay, then again they have drawn the shape pattern, that is 1 triangle, 2 triangles, then 3 triangles, then 4, then again 1 triangle. Now we will draw here 2 triangles, then 3 triangles. Okay, so this way, by looking at the patterns given, you can think and you can observe the pattern. Okay, and then you can complete the fill-ups. So you will complete till here, page 112. Okay, so this is your classwork also. You will complete, it is very easy. You will just revise these patterns and you will complete this page. Yes, then this page you will complete till here. These 3 questions you will not do. Then 4 question also you will not do. Then you will do only 5 and 6. So this is the work to be done today. You can complete it, and from the next period onwards we will revise the syllabus for your periodic test. Is it clear?